Hi guys, it's the Black Bonsai Guy and I'm back today. And today I won't be touching this hive. I will be touching, ta-da, a new hive. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know me. I couldn't wait till next spring, so I went and got me another hive, and I just moved it to its new location. And today I have my girlfriend who will be assisting and actually going into the hive. So we probably won't do too much this time, but pull that little plug down there so everybody can get some oxygen and maybe put some feed on them. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause and we're gonna set up and come back. All right, so I'm staying back at a distance because I don't have a suit. All I got is my hat on. So the first thing we'll do is we'll ask Rihanna to open the top. Let's open the top. You can give me those pliers for now. And you can put your tool in your pocket. Yep. Things are gonna get crazy, y'all. Nice. All right. Let me get in just a tad bit closer. You guys, hopefully you can see that. All right. You see that little piece of tissue there?
Yes.
Go ahead and take that out. All right. And just lift up the cover one time to give them a fresh breath of air. You can throw that on the ground.
What would you like to do with this?
You can sit it in between the crack, between the two of them. There you go. Gently, like Mr. Bentley. There you go.
This?
Yep. Just gently give them just a breath of fresh air.
All the way?
Yep. There you go, guys. Let's get you closer. They're all in there. All right. Just gently put the top back on, and then we'll come back after everything settles down and give them some food. All right, so they rocking and rolling. So now we're gonna have Rihanna move that little plug down there for the entrance. Gently. Boom. All right. You can throw that on the ground, and we will come back. We'll let it roll for a second, and we'll be back. So what's going on right now is they've been moved to a new location, and what they're doing now is they're just swarming around, and they are getting GPS signals from the sun so that they know how and where to come to get back home. Meanwhile, the hive right next to them, they're zoned in, they're already focused, they know what they're doing, they're coming and going, and they do have a pollen source that's coming in, so they're bringing pollen back to the colony to make some bee bread. All right, so I will, because I don't have a suit on and I'm standing in the midst of this, I will pause for the cause and I will come back. All right, you can get in there.
You have to press stop. I can't do it with the gloves.
All right, guys, we're back. So what we're gonna have Rihanna do is go into the hive right quick. We won't be long, and just have her pull a frame and see if she gets lucky and find the queen. I won't tell her what frame to pull. I'll just let her randomly select. So if you remove the process, remove the top, then take that inner cover off, and let's see if she is lucky. Nice and gentle, like Mr. Bentler. And you can even put that on the, I'll hold it. Gracias. There you go, and you can put that in the alley. And slide it back a little bit more so we get good viewage. And I'll let you pick any random one. We won't tell her. Good. Something about going in that hive when it's when you got the pretty much the fate of your life in your hand. While these are gentle Italians, you know, me being an idiot, I'm out here with no suit. They can get me. Nice. You see anything with a blue dot on it? All right, come over here to show the camera right quick. Come down some. Yeah. You trying to get in there?
No.
Okay, go up a little bit more. All right. I don't see the queen. I'm gonna back up because they tell me. I caught one to the face. That'll be fine. Good. Just gentle. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Got it. Got it. And just do one side at a time. There you go. And kind of let it rest on the box. And move your finger. Just let it rest on there. There you go. And just pull it out. There you go. I caught one in the face, y'all. I got another one. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and let's put this spacer on right quick. Or you gonna get another one?
I was trying to space it between the frames. It was just a little.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, let's do this. Come put this on. Put that down. Here you go. Put that down nice and gentle. And I'm gonna go get the patty. There you go. And just kind of wiggle it and they'll get out the way.
It's not as wide as the box. Is that okay?
It should be. It should fit right over it. There you go. Go ahead. Just wiggle it. Give them a little shimmy. They'll get out the way.
Oh, you know what? Does this go on top or the bottom?
They go in the bottom.
It goes in the bottom?
Yep. You got it. You got it. Boom. All right. That's cool. Now here, give them just a tablespoon or two of that.
Onto the frame?
Yep. You could actually put it on the actual frames itself, not the spacer.
Oh.
Yep. Slap it in there. There you go. That's good right there. There you go. Top that up. Take that back from you. Here you go. Put it on now.
Oh, they're like, you're liking it.
then come take this. Make sure you're on square.
Say that again.
Make sure everything is nice and square and level. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is starting to settle down now. We put a spacer on, which is there. Then above it is the excluder, and then another cover, and then we put a box on there with an inner cover inside of that. This is the setup. I'll back up and let those guys do their thing. It's the Black Bonsai Guy. I'm out.